What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to unbox and take a look at the new throwing stars by Cold Steel. So let's get to it. So here is the packaging. We have 420 stainless steel, blade length 1.5, overall 3.9. Comes with a nylon pouch. Alright, let's open this sucker up. So here we go. Here's the pouch. Pretty tight. Looks like it's got some dividers for the keep them separated from each other, so that's cool. Very interesting design. Kind of a multi-pronged fork. Very cool. So in here, for an example, here is a typical Fury. Fury has been around for a long time making throwing stars themselves, so you can see they're pretty close in size. Very much. Very cool. Weight wise, yeah, the Fury I think is a little bit heavier, but obviously we have more prongs on there, so it makes a pretty big difference. But I do like the fork design. That does cut down on the weight, make it easier to throw, and probably will stick pretty good, especially in a nice dartboard or something like that if you're throwing it at that. So yeah, very cool. We will test these things out, do a little video of see how they hit a dartboard, and we'll go from there. So there you go. There's the unboxing of the new throwing stars by Cold Steel. Alright guys, we'll catch you next time. Have a great day.